Emma, I tried shopping small yesterday and accidentally bought soap that looks like a cupcake, and I ate it.
Jake, we need to talk. Hey everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake, the guy who now knows what lavender tastes like.
Today, we're teaching you 20 English phrases you can use when shopping small. Local shops, farmers markets, handmade stores, and more.
Support small businesses and improve your English. Win-win.
And we invited Emily and Den to help us act out real conversations.
Hi, everyone. It's always fun working with Emma and Jake. They make learning English feel like hanging out with friends.
Happy to be here. Let's get into it.
Subscribe for more fun English lessons every week. When you walk into a small shop, you want to sound friendly and polite. Here are 5 phrases to start a conversation.
I usually just say hi and panic.
Let's fix that. Phrase 1. Hi, I'm just browsing. This means you're looking around, but not ready to buy yet.
Oh, so they don't follow me around the store asking questions.
Exactly. Phrase 2. Everything looks great in here. This is a warm compliment.
I like that. It's friendly.
Phrase 3. I love your shop. How long have you been open? This shows interest in their business.
People love talking about their shops.
Yes. Phrase 4. Do you have this in another color or size? A practical question.
Classic.
And phrase 5. Could you tell me more about this item? This invites them to share details.
Perfect for when I have no idea what I'm looking at.
Exactly. Now let's see these phrases in action. Emily and Den.
Hi, I'm just browsing.
No problem. Take your time.
Everything looks great in here. I love your shop. How long have you been open?
Thank you. We've been open for about 3 years now.
That's wonderful. Do you have this scarf in another color?
Yes, we have it in blue, red, and green.
Great. Could you tell me more about this item? What's it made of?
It's 100% merino wool, handmade by local artisans.
That sounds amazing.
That felt so natural.
It did. Notice how Emily started with, I'm just browsing. That gives her space to look around. Then she complimented the shop before asking questions.
And Dan was super helpful.
Exactly. Now let's learn phrases for asking about products. When you find something interesting, here's how to ask about it naturally.
Time to sound smart.
Phrase 6 is this handmade? Perfect for craft shops or markets.
Is this handmade or did a robot make it?
Just say, is this handmade? Phrase 7, do you work with local suppliers? This shows you care about supporting the community.
I love that.
And phrase 8 is, what materials do you use? Great for understanding quality.
Is this soap or cupcake material?
Stop! Phrase 9 is, how should I take care of this? Shows you plan to keep it nice.
Responsible shopper energy.
Yes. And phrase 10 is this one of a kind? Means it's unique and special.
Fancy.
Now let's hear Emily and Den use these phrases.
Hi, is this candle handmade?
Yes, everything in our shop is handmade.
That's amazing. Do you work with local suppliers?
We do. All our materials come from within 50 miles.
I love that. What materials do you use for the candles?
We use soy wax and essential oils, all natural ingredients.
Perfect. How should I take care of this to make it last?
Just trim the wick before each use and burn it for at least 2 hours the first time.
Got it. And is this one of a kind?
This particular design is. We only make a few of each style.
I have to get it then.
Emily asked such good questions.
She did. Is this handmade? And do you work with local suppliers? Show you care about the product's story.
And how should I take care of this? Makes you sound responsible.
Exactly. Now let's talk about price and payment. Now let's learn how to ask about price politely and complete your purchase.
The scary part.
It's not scary. Phrase 11. How much does this cost? Simple and direct.
Classic.
Phrase 12. Do you offer any discounts for buying multiple items? Perfect for bundle deals.
Smart shopping.
Phrase 13. Can I pay by card? Some small shops only take cash.
Get to know before you get to checkout.
Yes. Phrase 14. Do you have gift wrapping? Useful during holidays.
I need that service. My wrapping looks like chaos.
And phrase 15. I'll take it. The ultimate buying phrase.
I'll take it. Actually, I won't. Maybe. I don't know.
Jake! Let's see Emily and Den handle this smoothly.
This looks perfect. How much does this cost?
This candle is $25.
Okay. Do you offer any discounts for buying multiple items?
Yes. If you buy 3 or more, you get 10% off.
Great. I'll take 3 then. Can I pay by card?
Absolutely. We accept all major cards.
Perfect. Do you have gift wrapping? I'd love these wrapped as gifts.
We do. Gift wrapping is $2 per item.
That's perfect. I'll take it.
Wonderful. Let me ring you up.
Emily's a pro.
She is. Notice how she asked about discounts? Many small shops offer deals if you buy more.
And she asked about payment methods before getting to checkout. Smart.
Exactly. Now let's finish with phrases that support small businesses. These final phrases help you connect with shop owners and show appreciation.
The warm and fuzzy section.
Exactly. Phrase 16. Your work is amazing. A genuine compliment.
Everyone loves compliments.
Phrase 17. Thank you for making this locally. Shows you value local craftsmanship.
Community vibes.
Phrase 18. I love supporting small businesses. This tells them why you're shopping there.
It means a lot to shop owners.
Absolutely. Phrase 19. I'll definitely come back. Shows you plan to return.
Repeat customer energy.
And phrase 20. Do you have an online shop? So you can shop from home too.
Perfect for when you can't visit in person.
Let's see Emily and Den wrap up their shopping experience.
Thank you so much. Your work is amazing.
Thank you. That means a lot to us.
Seriously, thank you for making this locally. It's so refreshing to find handmade items.
We really appreciate that. Supporting local artisans is what keeps us going.
I love supporting small businesses like yours. I'll definitely come back.
We'd love to see you again.
Oh, do you have an online shop? I'd love to order more for friends.
We do. Here's our card with the website. We ship nationwide.
Perfect. Thanks again.
Thank you for shopping with us. Happy holidays.
That was so wholesome.
It was. These phrases show appreciation and build relationships. Your work is amazing, and thank you for making this locally. Make shop owners feel valued.
And I'll definitely come back. Shows loyalty.
Exactly. Asking about an online shop helps you stay connected even after you leave.
I feel ready to shop small now.
All right, let's recap. Today, you learned 20 phrases for shopping small, starting conversations. Hi, I'm just browsing. Everything looks great in here. I love your shop. How long have you been open? Do you have this in another color or size? Could you tell me more about this item? Asking about products. Is this handmade? Do you work with local suppliers? What materials do you use? How should I take care of this? Is this one of a kind? Price and payment. How much does this cost? Do you offer any discounts for buying multiple items? Can I pay by card? Do you have gift wrapping? I'll take it. Supporting small businesses. Your work is amazing. Thank you for making this locally. I love supporting small businesses. I'll definitely come back. Do you have an online shop?
And I learned not to eat soap that looks like cupcakes.
Important lesson. Emily, Den, thank you so much for helping us today.
This was so fun. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, loved it. Happy shopping, everyone.
Thank you for watching Talk Smart Podcast. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons.
Now go support your local shops in English.
Bye!